Hello and welcome to another video for SAT Maths. Again, rational expressions, and these are hard questions. Let's see what's difficult about them. This looks like a complicated question, so let's see what's happening here. It says if this is a rational expression, then which of the following is equivalent to the expression? Now, the easiest way of handling these equivalent questions is to use numbers instead of uh, variables. Okay, so let's say I plug in the number 1, sorry, and I say that 8 plus 14 plus 2 is 24 divided by 5. So I'm looking for an answer option that gives me 24 over 5. Okay, so I say 2 plus 3 plus 1 over 5. Okay, that's answer option A. That gives me 26 over 5, so that's wrong. So 2 plus 3 minus 1 over 5. Answer option B gives me correct, so that should be the correct answer. The other way of doing this question is through long division. Okay, and we'll try doing that when we come across a question that wants us to do that. Okay, now you see this is a very complicated expression. If I were to go ahead and simplify this, it would be actually very challenging. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take numbers instead and say that x equals to 1. So that would give me minus 2. Let's put a bracket as well. So that minus 2 over 3 in the first block, and then 2, no, that's not minus 2 over 3. It would be 1 minus 3 over 1 plus 1. So that would be minus 2 over 2. Okay, so minus 2 over 2 plus 2 over 4. Okay, x equals to 1. And 1 over root 2, because x is 1 minus root 3. Okay, that gives me root 3 plus root 2 over 2. Or if I were to change that into a decimal, it would give me 1.5731. Okay, now which of the answer options gives me that? Let's try doing that with A. I get, in the numerator, I get 2, let's put a bracket, 2 plus 2 minus 8, because x is 1, root 2 minus root 3, because I see very complicated denominators and numerator calculations going on, and I don't want to do that on my exam. I want the shortest way out. 4, 2, and minus 1. Okay, that doesn't give me the right answer, so I'm going to move on and see the next one. The next one seems very similar in terms of the numbers that are there. The only numbers that I think are changing are this one, that's changing to plus, and that's pretty much it. Nothing else is changing. Let's see if that works out. Yes, B works out fine. So that should be my correct answer. Question number 3. Okay, I can solve this one. I think it's easier to combine denominators than to separate them. So I'm going to say 1 divided by a common denominator here, which is x plus 5 into x plus 1. And I get x plus 1 plus 3x plus 5. 1 divided by 4x plus 6 plus 1 multiplied by x squared plus 6x plus 5 over 4x plus 6. It's 4x plus 16 actually. Okay. So 1. Okay, again, I see a very complicated expression. Can I use numbers instead? Yes, I could do that. I could take x as 1. No, let's not take x as 1 because it's going to make 0 in the denominator, x as 2, and let's take y as 3. Okay, so I would get in the question, I would get 6 over 3 minus 27 minus 8 over 2 minus 8 bracket into 3 times 27 and 7 times 16 to power 4 is 16 into 3. 117 over 448. Complicated expression because I've taken larger numbers. Okay, so let's then do 3 into 9 into bracket minus 1 minus 4 plus 2 into 9. And in the denominator, 7 into 16 into 1 minus 4 and 1 minus 9. Okay, let's check. No, A doesn't work out. Let's see what's changed in the next one, and I'm just going to change some numbers and not all of them. Oh, I didn't put this one in correctly. It's not 7 into 1, it should be 7 into 16. That should be the answer. Oh, no, my bad. That was 117 over 896. Okay. Okay. Then correcting. I think nothing else has changed. This is a 3y squared becomes 6y squared. So I'm just going to go up and change 3 from there. Change that to 6. See if that helps. Yes, that helps. So B is the correct answer. I go with that. Okay. Then what is the simple rational expression of the above expression? Okay. I could do this in the same way, but I want to just show you how I'm going to do it the other way. I'm going to first factorize this because I want to take a common, I want to see what cancels out. Okay, let's keep that as 4x into x minus 1. Okay, this is canceling out. Yeah, I think that is canceling out. And is anything else canceling out? I see an x canceling out. So I get 4x minus 4 over x minus 3 whole square. So 4x minus 4 or x squared minus 6x plus 9. Yep, that is the correct answer, I think. There are more hard questions to go. Again, that's similar to the last one. I take a value for x as equals to 1, and I say that that's 5 plus 7 plus 2 over 4. That's 7 plus 7, 14 over 4. That's 7 over 2. So I'm looking for an answer that gives me 7 over 2. So A gives me 5 minus 8. I've taken x as 1. Okay. No, that doesn't give me the right answer. Let's check the other one then. A doesn't give me the right answer. B is 4 over 26 as a plus. Still doesn't give me the right answer. Okay, it looks like it might be the last one actually, because all of the others are giving me negatives. So in fact, the third one can also give me a positive. Plus 26 over 4. 7 over 2. Yeah, C. Okay, this one is again about canceling out some things. Let's do that manually. Divided by Okay, so 2x plus 1 in the new denominator and 2x plus 1 and x plus 4 here. Let's see if I can figure out if A is the right answer option. So I first multiplied the brackets. I get x squared plus 5x plus 4. Yeah, I think A is the right answer then. Question number 3. The expression represented above is equivalent to the rational expression. Okay. Now again, whenever you have multiple unknowns in the question, let's say your primary unknown is x, but you have a secondary unknown that you're looking for. So what do you do? One thing is that you could simplify the left-hand side of the expression, or a better way is just to replace x with a number. Okay, so I'm going to replace x with 1 and say that this is 5 plus 7 plus 1 over 6 squared minus 3 over 6 equals to 1 plus 2 plus a. So a remains 1 plus 25 plus 10. Okay, so I have 13 over 36 minus 3 over 6 equals to 3 plus a over 36. Okay, so 13 over 36 minus 3 over 6 gives me minus 5 over 36. 3 plus a over 36. So 36 and 36 cancel out. A is therefore minus 8. Okay, that's the easy way of doing these questions. Okay, then this one is something that I have to do manually. It's a long question. Let's figure out what's common. XY is common. So I get 1 minus y from here. And then I have, I'm better off doing this with numbers actually. Okay, so let's just do this with numbers. So x is 2 and y is 3, let's say. Okay, so that's 1 over 6 minus 2 into 9 minus, I should have put a bracket earlier on. 3 over 6 plus 2 into 9. Bracket, I have 9 into 4 divided by 2. So minus 15 over 4 is the answer that I'm looking for. Let's calculate A then. It's 6. 6 into 6 minus 1 over 1 minus 9. Minus 15 over 4. So A works out fine. So let's go with A. Okay, the last question for this set is this. Again, I could do this with numbers, and that would be the easier way of doing this. But I can also show you that when you are taking a common denominator, remember that this has the same factor, so you don't have to repeat the entire factor. You can just say 2x plus 1, x minus 4, and then this gets multiplied with 2, and this just gets multiplied with x minus 4. Okay, so I get 2x minus x plus 4. So x plus 4 in the numerator. And then what is in there in the denominator? 2 bracket x square minus 3x minus 4. So 2x square minus 6x. Yeah, that should be the correct answer. That is it for this topic. I'll be back with another topic in the next video. Thank you for watching.